Hello dearest friends. A very warm welcome to this channel of wild animal videos. In this video, we have an amazing life lesson from hyenas versus wildebeests and buffaloes. Please watch this video to the end. Hyenas, the devils and serial killers of wild animals in the African jungles. This pack of hungry hyenas has been chasing the wildebeests. They managed to separate one of them from the herd. The poor wildebeest ran to the herd of buffaloes for protection. Buffaloes that were grazing peacefully feel insecure against hyenas running around them chasing the wildebeest. Buffaloes don't want these intruders. And they are aware that this wildebeest is the cause of insecurity. Go back where you are coming from and leave us alone. Go handle you problems. The buffaloes bullfights and chase away the victim back to the bloodthirsty hyenas. Hyenas continue the attack. They don't want to lose the prey this time. The wildebeest wants to stay, but the buffalo knocked her down twice. And feels a lot of pains where the horns of buffalo bull injured. Hyenas are watching and are increasing in numbers. This is pity indeed. Wildebeest has not where to run, no support from buffaloes. Hyenas know it's just a matter of time to kill the wildebeest. The wildebeest is now tired from the hunting hyenas that have been chasing her for many hours. Wildebeest is tired from buffaloes fighting. Only heavenly God can save the life of this beast. I have no choice, the wildebeest thinks. I have to face these devil and fight until the last breath. Wildebeest fight a do or die battle, but hyenas are quite many for one wildebeest to win the fight. Hyenas are hunting in group, still energetic and ready to fight to death. They know this is an opportunity not to miss. They are hungry and need to eat. Hyenas cannot afford to miss this chance. And there it is. Wildebeest has other options, cannot get away from hyena's jaws that has tasted on the fresh blood. Hyenas that appetite is increasing minute after minute. Hyenas are happy and laughing as they to eat alive the wildebeest that remain with no more power to fight back. Wild best surrenders. Up to this point, anyone still asking what is the lesson from these wild animals? Yes. We all know Animal Planet has its own rules. Carnivores like hyenas can only survive if there is enough herbivores to hunt, and herbivores survive on grass. But let's look at it differently. If buffaloes helped the wildebeest to fight back the hyenas, hyenas would fail, and wildebeest would survive this day. Help each other, help those in need, especially in this period humanity is faced with a lot of economic and health challenges. Another lesson, let's work together as hyenas. One hyenas or two or three could not succeed this battle. But since they are hunting in group, they manage to bring down such a huge prey and have a meal. Working together has multiple benefits. And working individually has uncountable downside. Look as how this wildebeest is suffering from the sharp teeth of hyenas. Poor wildebeest. The suffering of wildebeest is the joy of the hyenas. Do you have any comment? Please share your comments, like and subscribe to this new channel. Do not forget hit the bell so you can be the first to watch our new videos. Share this video to your friend as well so that this life lesson can spread. Remember the lessons, help each other, support those in need. We need one another same way we need you to like and subscribe to this new channel Love from Wild Animals video channel team. Thank you and bye for now. Stay well, stay safe, stay healthy.